when the rain is here, and it's no fun. You don't want to ride because it's too cold. You go to a dealership, a bike dealership. What is up, Moto heads? Sorry for the echo, but I wanted to give y'all a cold start on the RS660 and compare it to the cold start on the 8R. All right. Again, these bikes are completely stock. All right. So this is what you get right out the bag. Okay. All right. Here we go. A quick rev. We'll do the same on the 8R. All right, we got a little warmth going on. Maybe a little rev. All right. Let me lock you up here. Here we go. All right. Now it's time for the 8R, baby. Well, let me get my blinker off. Little fuel injection going here. Both bikes, I think, are pretty, very pretty bikes. Let's go. Let me make sure I'm in neutral. Yep. The 8R is it tells you the temperature here. So we're gonna let her warm up, and then I'm gonna come back, give you a couple revs. All right, Moto heads, based on our results, does the 8R have the better sounding exhaust, or does the RS660 have the better sounding factory exhaust? Drop it in the comments. Let me know. I'll check you on the next one, y'all. Peace.